So I have in front of me the new Eskom tariffs. Staggering. Summertime peak, which is between 5 and 9, R1.45 per kilowatt hour. The off-peak, 58 cents. That's not a good thing. Wintertime, R3.50 per kilowatt hour at peak time, which is between 5 and 9 o'clock. Again, off-peak is 58 cents. Why that's not a good thing is, those who are feeding electricity into the grid will only get, when the sun shines, the 58 cents, but when they come to use it back later, they're going to be paying R3.50 in the winter or R1.45. However, we have found a way to mitigate this. We have come up with a technology that effectively is a lunar panel. So it uses perovskite and amorphous silicon, and it doesn't have the efficiency of a solar panel, but it does acts as a solar panel. So where you get 20% from a normal solar panel, you will get about 16% from the lunar panel, and when the moon is full, you will get about 10% efficiency. So that actually means that you can be making energy at night, provided there is some moon or some ambient light. So this is a great new technology, and I think will go a long way to mitigating these ridiculous tariffs.